It's a 3 a.m. breakfast here.
3 o'clock it is.
Madeline doesn't like egg yolk, so I'm doing a egg white egg for her.
Why are we up at 3 in the morning though?
We're to Florida.
We are going to Florida, folks. We're going. So excited, are you?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
What are we gonna do? Have a little breakfast?
Yeah.
And then get on a
aeroplane.
Flying. So yeah, a little breakfast time. So of course it's Christmas. Ho ho ho! So we had a whole bunch of stuff packed again. So we're just kind of getting ready here now. And as you can tell, luggage, 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 and more luggage. We're going back to. Back to Jambo, back to our home. We're very excited. Take too long, so we're gonna get ready, and I guess we'll check back with you when we get to the airport.
Cheers. We're at the airport. Really, really excited. We're getting ready to get on our flight, and it's going to be amazing. Everything went super smooth. Thank you, Air Canada. You're awesome.
Guys, to the exit on these aircraft, airport That's late. It's a bit dark. It's still early morning.
It is.
As you can see, it's pitch black.
It's very dark. This is very early. Yeah, hopefully I'm feeling good. Sleep through the first one?
Part of it.
A little nappy, right? Feeling good?
Yeah, and guess where we're headed?
Where to?
Orlando, Florida.
Guess
yeah.
what?
What?
It's no secret because everybody here is going to Orlando.
What?
It's a flight to Orlando. That's how it works. Excited about it?
Very beyond excited.
It looks nice out there in Montreal
It
today.
is, yeah. It's cold.
It's cold. Lovely.
Oh, it's sunny.
It is. Gorgeous.
I mean, where else would we be but MCO?
That's right. And the carpet. That could have done it, right?
For
Yeah,
real.
you can tell,
Yep.
right? All right.
You can tell we're in Florida.
Time to get our luggage?
Beside the palm trees.
Yeah.
And take a look.
Christmas tree.
Yeah.
All right, let's get our luggage.
Yep. And then we're headed to our resort.
Let's see what's up.
We have giraffes.
We have what?
Look, welcome home, Walsh family.
We've been in here for how long? 8 seconds?
I want to tell you something.
Yeah?
There's 2 giraffes outside.
Let me go
on
see.
our-
Show me. Point them out.
Right over there. You see that little thing?
Whoa, we don't see anything because our ISO so high. 1 second.
There's a giraffe right straight ahead there.
And there.
And there's
Oh,
another
yeah.
one over there by the other
Yep.
tree.
There's a little one right here.
Yep.
And there's one right over here. Come over here.
See?
Oh, that's exciting.
Oh, well, that's only just too amazing. Welcome. We made it. Thanks for coming along with us.
Cool.
Wasn't this a great travel day?
Yeah, and I'm wondering where the pool
It was. It was a great travel day. She's wondering where the pool is. And what else are you looking for?
Fun.
Fun. And what else?
Food.
Yeah, food. That's the one. We are very hungry, aren't we?
Yep, and I'm also looking for fun to do.
Oh, I bet she is. But there's crafts and everything because we're all moved inside, right?
Yep.
All right, let's grab a quick picture of some zebras. And then let's go get some food.
There is no zebras.
I mean, zebras? Giraffes.
Yeah.
That's what I really
Yeah,
meant was.
not zebras.
No way, dude.
I meant
It's
giraffes.
Yeah, for sure.
And we just got back from the restaurant, and we got some drinks and food.
Let me see that mug first. That thing looks super cool. Is that your resort mug?
Yep.
Do you like your
and-
mug?
Yep.
And what about Mom? Did she get a mug too?
Sure did.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Yeah, so these are like the new, looks like the new Disney resort mugs. It's got Cinderella Castle on there with the current paint. So they moved away from the 50th. They do have some 100 mugs down there right now, but we already got those on our last trip. So we bought these ones, and they come in all kinds of different colors, which is really great. So I have the teal one. Madeline has the pink one. And Ryan got the transparent green one.
Oh, the only one that's transparent, it
Yeah.
seems, isn't? Oh, maybe the orange one?
The
There's an
orange one,
too.
there was an orange one down there too. So all kinds of different colors for different members of your family so you don't mix up your mugs.
Yeah,
which is
it's
great.
important.
But they all have the same Walt Disney World wrap on it.
But the handles...
But the handles and the lids are all different.
Yeah, so you can match them up again, right?
Yeah, so it's really cool.
All right.
Yeah, so we went down to the Mara.
What do we got here, girl?
That's the tamarind sandwich.
Yep.
Okay.
Looks like they gave us a ton of fries with
Oh,
that.
that's
as
what I was
well.
hoping for. So this is the takeout version as opposed to what goes on the plate.
Yep, and then
Whoa.
we
Look at all that.
look, they gave us extra chicken fingers as well.
You have a
That
lot.
means I'm getting there.
You'll yes, ma'am.
And would you be so kind and hold this up for me?
And we get the Santa tart,
Oh,
which is special for the holiday season
Yeah.
here at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Yep.
And so we're gonna try it out.
Yep.
You
and
ready?
I'm gonna go first.
Time for food.
Yes.
So it's a Mickey Santa, and it looks like it's got a vanilla tart shell. It has some white chocolate on the outside.
Chocolate.
It's a mousse as well. So it's just gonna be something very delicious.
Anybody who likes moose, we gotta give it a cut.
Got a cut.
Right here.
Yep, sure.
Look at that. It's
Wow.
like butter.
And then not. Okay, let's look inside.
Trying to see what's inside.
Wow,
Like Marvin, how about Natty?
Yep.
there's the cross section of it.
Wowzers.
It looks like this is pistachio down
Yeah,
here.
it's maybe pistachios.
And it looks delicious. Is it good?
You got it. It's delicious.
Is it a 1 thumb up? 2. Madeline gives it 2 thumbs up. You would eat more?
Okay, we'll cut off a piece and give it to you, okay?
All right, yeah, here we are. We made it. So we're in 5548. 5548. It's a good number. It's quite a walk. You got to go down the zebra trail. We're going to show you that. Obviously, you're going to get to see the whole resort while we're here. We're going to take you around, give you a tour.
This is actually a standard room.
So this is really amazing that we managed to luck into this. So we only spent enough points for a standard room, but we were given a partial standard room. It's very exciting.
So again, like, you know, if you haven't been here before, this is kind of like the coolness that exists and the theming in here. Themed. Just themed. Themed wonderfully. Everything smells great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It sure does.
And it smells like the jungle.
And look at this. Look at these cool guys.
Amazing.
Cool. So again, the nice part about staying here at DVC is you have a sink and you have some hand dish soap. And look at this amount of coffee. It looks glorious. Thank you, Joffrey's. And a microwave. And this time we didn't have to bring a toaster or buy a toaster. They provided the toaster. So,
Yeah.
let's go take a look at the room.
I'll show you around.
Show us. What do we see?
So we have this little comfy chair drawer.
Is it a drawer?
Yep.
What's in it?
Nothing.
Oh, room for us to put our stuff in, maybe?
Yeah, close.
Oh, that would be cool.
And here's our bed. It looks like we're all gonna be sleeping together.
Oh, are we all sleeping in this bed?
Yep, it's the only one we have.
Oh.
Oh, no, I get it. This
What
is
do
the
you-
slide-out bed.
Do you think it is?
Yeah, cause see, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you can see, can't you?
Yeah.
All right. So we have that. And what do we have? What does this say over here?
Welcome home, Walsh family.
Good reading. I love it. And we're at the Animal Kingdom Lodge.
We have a mirror right here.
Oh, let's wave into the
And
mirror.
a couch right here.
Wave into the mirror with me. Woo! All right.
And here's our couch.
Oh, yes, the couch. That's our pull-out bed, right?
Uh-huh.
And another little side table, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have the,
Comic books.
not a comic book, a Disney book, the Conservation Fund. But look,
And here we have a deck.
look, more giraffes.
3
And,
giraffes out here now.
Wait,
I mean, they're just
what
hanging out.
is that?
I guess we should kind of like get a little bit of film, hey? So we're super happy. We're super happy. Couldn't be happier to be here.
So we just walk in, we're like, cool, partial savannah view. And then we come out and
Giraffes.
giraffes. It must be supper time. And they know where to go.
Oh, those little pets.
Look, they're all coming together. There's like 4 of them.
Wait, 4 giraffes?
And what is a group of giraffes called?
I don't know.
I know. It's a tower.
A tower, mommy got it. She's clever, that one. Hey, buddy. How are ya? Giraffe having some food. They really are beautiful creatures, aren't they? It's a great place here. I love it.
All right, so it's a crazy day. I mean, it really is. So our friends are here. We've seen now Scott and Emily. So happy to see you. Johnny and Deb are on the way. And we're gonna meet Bob and Kelly and their daughter Kaya. So that's gonna be cool. It's the first time for us to meet them. They're staying here. We're at Jambo. They're at Kidani. We've been talking on Instagram for years, so we're really excited to meet you guys. When we came in, there's like a pop-up bar there today. So it looks like where it's raining, like there's a pop-up bar. I mean, it's like, you know, they're smart enough to like move that stuff inside. So yeah, we're gonna go down. We're gonna meet everybody in the lobby and have a drink, I guess, and say hi next to the world's, I don't know if the world's largest Christmas tree, but it's a really beautiful Christmas tree. If you haven't seen Jambo, I guess, you know, you'll see it. So anyway, yeah, it's been a great day. Thanks for coming with us. Travel day's been crazy. We got Epcot tomorrow we're really looking forward to. So for now, we're gonna go say hi to some friends, have some drinks, and we'll see you guys again tomorrow morning.